Vanakkam, good morning. In this video, we are going to discuss about the muscle metabolism. Energy is essential for the muscle contraction. So the energy is provided by the muscle due to the breakdown of the ATP or resynthesis of the ATP. Breakdown of the ATP gives the immediate energy source. The ATP is converted to the ADP and inorganic phosphate and energy. This energy is utilized for the few seconds. Within the few seconds, all the stored energy is utilized. The ATP is mainly utilized for the spread of the action potential within the muscle and the liberation of the calcium ions from the sarcoplasmic reticulum and movement of the myosin head against the actin filaments and sliding mechanism of the myosin and actin. This ATP is only utilized for the short duration. Within the seconds, all the ATP is utilized, stored ATP is utilized during the muscle activity. The breakdown of the ATP provides the energy for the only few seconds. Within the seconds, energy is utilized due to the breakdown of the ATP. Then the ATP energy is given by the resynthesis of the ATP. The resynthesis of the ATP by creatinine phosphate present in the muscle. Creatinine phosphate is stored in the muscle. That creatinine phosphate combined with the ADP, it forms the ATP and creatine and energy. So resynthesis of the ATP from creatine phosphate is called as the Lohmann's reaction. It is called as the Lohmann reactions. This energy from the creatinine phosphate provided the ATP is also utilized within the few seconds. Then again the creatinine is converted to the creatinine phosphate in the muscle. It is also used here the energy. So further energy is created by the resynthesis of ATP from the carbohydrate metabolism. So resynthesis of ATP from the carbohydrate metabolism is used for the prolonged activities. The glycogen is converted to pyruvic acid. It is called as the glycolysis. And the glycolysis again divided into the two types, aerobic glycolysis. So pyruvic acid is converted to the acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A is then enter into the cyclical Krebs cycle. It provides the energy. The anaerobic glycolysis, it is pyruvic acid is converted to the lactic acid. It is lactic acid stored in the liver as a glycogen. When the glucose is needed, liver glycogen is converted, enter into the blood. It provides the glucose. It is also used for the energy. So glycolysis, glycogen is converted to the pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid is converted to the two types, aerobic glycolysis, that is called as the Krebs cycles. It enters into the Krebs cycles. Anaerobic glycolysis, otherwise called as the Cori cycle. The Krebs cycle, otherwise called as the citric acid cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle. In the glycolysis, glycogen is converted to the pyruvic acid. In the Krebs cycle, it is the aerobic glycolysis. It is occur in the mitochondria. The pyruvic acid is converted to the acetyl coenzyme A in the mitochondria. So during this conversion of the pyruvic acid to acetyl coenzyme A, 4 hydrogen atom is released. The acetyl coenzyme is involved in the series of reaction due to the enzymes. It produces the 2 ATP and 16 hydrogen ions. This is the main citric acid or Krebs cycle. Hydrogen atom is released during the carbohydrate metabolism. 4 hydrogen ion is released during glycogen is converted to pyruvic acid. Another 4 hydrogen ion is released during pyruvic acid is converted to the acetyl coenzyme A. Then 16 hydrogen atom is released during the Krebs cycle, during the degradation of the acetyl coenzyme. So total 24 hydrogen atom is released. It is present inside the mitochondria in the pockets. In the 20 hydrogen atom, within the 24 hydrogen atom, the 20 hydrogen atoms combined with the nicotinic adenine dinucleotide, it forms the 30 ATP. 20 hydrogen atom is converted to 30 ATP. Another 4 hydrogen ion is forms the 4 ATP. So total 34 ATP is formed from the 24 hydrogen ion. Resynthesis of ATP during carbohydrate metabolism. During the glycolysis from the glycogen to pyruvic acid, only 2 ATP is produced. During the Krebs cycle, net ATP is 2 ATP. During the carbohydrogen utilization, the 24 hydrogen ions produce the 34 ATP. 20 hydrogen ion is produce the 30 ATP. Another 4 hydrogen ions produce the 4 ATP. Total 34 ATP. Total 38 ATP produced from the carbohydrate metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism. Summary of the muscle metabolism. Immediate source of the energy is the breakdown of the ATP. It is used within the seconds. Then energy is provided by the resynthesis of the ATP from the creatinine phosphate. It is used few seconds. For the longer duration, energy and ATP is produced by the carbohydrate metabolism through glycolysis, Cori cycle and Krebs cycle. It provides a total 38 ATP, 2 ATP during the glycolysis, another 2 ATP during the citric acid cycles, 34 ATP is produced from the hydrogen atom. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, share your friends. Those who are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. Thank you once again.